Are you looking for an SUV that can fit two entire villages in them, no sweat, and roof rails so strong that it can carry Titanic? The wheels lug nuts so big that it's larger than your.
I just want it.
Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself?
Okay, I went a little bit far over there. Anyways, welcome back, all the Sunny fans. It's your boy DCS on another weekend, on another Saturday, or if it's not a Saturday, I'm sorry. Anyways, this time we are unboxing the Fortuner from Sunny Toys. This is not a small size, not a mid size, a large, a full size 7-seater SUV, which is very common in India. Like most of the large families in India actually have this car, and it's pretty nice actually with its really good alloy wheels and its boldish look. Actually, the new one is kind of much better, but I just had to have the old one because it's from Sunny. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox this thing and tell you all the specs of this car. So before that, if you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button immediately and also press the bell icon for my latest video updates every Saturday, so don't miss out on that. And also, if you want this car, it'll be in the description below, so you guys can go there and click the link and purchase this car too. And just one more thing, guys, if you guys have checked out my channel introduction, you know what comes after that, right? Yes, it's my Instagram page. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, so don't miss out on that. I'll be posting this car's images in more detail over there, so you guys can check it out and comment down below too. So now going for the unboxing. Boop. Okay, finally the Fortuner is out of the box, and this is how it looks at the front end. Yeah, looking at the Fortuner's front, you got the nameplate right here. It's only written Fortune. As you guys know, the Sunny Toys don't produce the officially licensed products, so they can't put the badging anywhere. Any Toyota badging is out, so that's quite disappointing, but you know, can't help it as you're buying a plastic car. I mean, this is not even die-cast, yeah. So yeah, leaving all the cost-cutting things, this car is pretty nice in its design because it mimics the Fortuner clearly. That's pretty nice too. At the side, front, rear, you name it, it's very nice. It's running 4-wheel drive turbo right here with the tail lamps, and it's imitating its silver-ish look, which is kind of nice. And you have a protruding exhaust. Talking about the exhaust, you can even see the spare wheel at the bottom. I love the details on the tire because the tire treads are so damn clear in most of the Sunny cars. That's pretty nice, and it's got a decent amount of bottom details like the exhaust pipes flowing around and this exhaust too. Well, that's about it in the Fortuner, and the one disappointing part is its rear glass. It's actually not transparent. Cost cutting there, so it's still disappointing. At least you get a sunroof, and talking about the sunroof, you have a pretty decent amount of interior right there, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, the interior is very well done. Yeah, points for that, Fortuner from Sunny Toys. Alright guys, that's the round look. Let's hear its pullback. Okay, not so powerful as the other cars, but it's pretty decent. Now let's go for its info. Now talking about the specs of the Toyota Fortuner right here, the 2013 Fortuner. First, let's talk about the best part. That's the top speed. All you guys want to know the top speed? Here you go. It's actually ranging from 176 kmph to about 180. So yeah, it's actually kind of in that range because it's not so exact in most of the cars, like diesel cars, and that's about 112 miles per hour. So you can guess the top speed right there. Going for the acceleration time, again, it's not exact, like nobody has got the exact time, so I did a lot of research and I found out it's ranging from somewhere around 8.9 seconds to about 11 seconds. You can get it to 8.9 seconds at best, so like in a long straight stretch, so yeah, without any bumps and humps. So going for the horsepower, this car is actually producing 168 horsepower from a 3-liter inline engine, which is mostly sold in India. So talking about the engine, it's actually a 3-liter inline 4-cylinder, which is a D4D turbo diesel engine, which is the most common in, you know, large SUV like this one from Toyota. And going for the transmission, you have about 3 options. First is the 5-speed manual, especially in the 2013 version, and the other one is a 4 or a 5-speed automatic. So you can choose between those two, and going for the body style, of course you guys know that, right? This is a 5-door SUV. And that's about it in the specs part. Oh, I forgot one more thing, guys. This car is available in 4-wheel drive, as it's mentioned in its back, and also in 2-wheel drive, which is available with a automatic transmission, you know, to balance out the weight and stuff. Oh yeah, and one more thing, the performance of the automatic is actually equal to the manual, because the automatic versions have only 2-wheel drive, which is actually reduces the weight of the car. So yeah, the 4-wheel drive and the manuals have power, but it has more weight. So yeah, you get it, right? What I'm talking about. Anyways, that's the end of the info. I hope you guys got some knowledge of the Toyota Fortuner right here, especially the 2013 version. Now, talking about the ratings of the Fortuner right here, I give it an 8 out of 10, guys, because in some places it has a lot of paint scuffs from Senitoys, so it's not very well maintained in the box. So at least improve the box, Senitoys. Anyways, that's the end of it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do comment your ratings down below. Let me check them out, and also your opinions on Senitoys. So yeah, guys, I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned for more. DCS out, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Don't worry, the links for this car will be in the description. DCS out. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.